There is a word, don't learn your Kendo before you will not get a great teacher. Similarly to this, there are many teachers in the world, including seniors of work, workshops and writing, but whether or not to meet a good coach can greatly influence the person's professional life. As shown in this figure, except for beginner education, etc., in order to create a workplace where motivation is particularly heightened, it is necessary for your company to take measures to further extend the taste of key persons who lead the workplace. Sports will do this by coaching. For this reason, I would like to introduce the usage of this method in this series this time. First, I will illustrate a coaching know-how. Even if a teacher teaching people has good experience and knowledge, there may be a problem that you cannot convey sufficient information to the teaching partner. In such a case, there is an effective method of seeing the character of the target person shown in this figure and taking a conversation law suitable for it. In the communication at coaching time, the effectiveness of the communication between a coach and the side receiving the coach becomes important. In doing so, I will recommend you to use the Johari window analysis shown in this figure. Coaching is not a fault pointing method of opponents but uses interactive method of positive thinking to encourage self-help efforts by awareness. So, I would like to introduce that example, so please refer to this figure. Good coaching helps achieve goal management and supports self-help efforts. As a result of improving competence, the target person gains success with the goal achievement. This is the characteristic of human resource development by coaching. The goal and target management used at this time has effects shown the left side in the figure. Examples of this type are being reported in many other universities and institutions. As you can see the right side of in this figure, in the experiment of Professor Matsui Tamami, there is a clear difference between who plays with result goal and who plays without goal. Mr. Takashi Harada is a famous man in Japan as the target management who innovated the famous junior high school at the low level. Because its content was 13 people in 3 years, not only discharged national winners in athletics, but also changed academics and attitudes by other schools as models. Later, this method is being used by many Japanese companies and got many good results about the target management. For this reason, Mr. Norman Bodick of PC Company also published English books in U.S. Hoshino Resort of President Mr. Kenji Hoshino is one of well-known enterprises that are progressing with skillful coaching application. At young age, he trained his employee with a uniform high-class service manual. But he encountered employees' opposition and came to a bankruptcy crisis and as a result of adopting the method shown in the figure. After that, he changed his company to a form in which employees proactively promoted voluntary improvement.